UNDP's Community Centre Sustainable Development Programme is being reviewed this week as a representative from the donor agency arrives to assess what funding has been utilised with and what proposals and projects were completed, as well as projects proposed for the future. Hakupu and Tawapa villages were two pilot projects implemented for a community centre sustainable development. Both villages have projects targeting renewable energy, accommodation and other saving projects. Both villages will discuss with UNDP's representative which way to approach the next lot of funding proposed from the agency. And we will bring you more on this story at a later date. And that is our news for this evening and for this week. We do hope that you have an enjoyable weekend and will be able to join us again for our next news bulletin next week. Behena hadatola da vala tartutupu gelatai moe afyapnei amna kini kimnuine uku kfahatapu ni hangawatigai wani mufoki hayai ito fewa le saka ni ko amna ki kefkahokwai ki hapayumu kena nofwa muninipu atulidiu kiflevea.